is setting out there, and this has probably been the best weather day of the week. We're tracking some changes, and by tomorrow, it's going to be cooler and breezy. The rest of the week, mild, but we're hanging on to some wind, and over the weekend, our coldest air of the season yet builds in. We're on first alert both Saturday and Sunday for that cold, as well as the chance for our first snowflakes of the season to work through. It's going to be quite chilly out there, so some big changes on the way. Now, tomorrow, you'll notice a difference compared to today. We're losing about 10 degrees. We're starting off in the mid-40s, so it's still a mild start with sunny skies through the day, but a breezy north wind is going to keep us a little bit cooler. You can plan on temperatures in the mid-50s by noon. We don't get much warmer, reaching for a high of 58 in the metro. A couple of 60s out there. We're trying for a high of 60 around Wahoo, 61 for Beatrice and Falls City, but most of us are going to stay between the mid to upper 50s tomorrow. With a little bit of a breeze, it could feel slightly cooler. You can plan on that north wind staying with us, especially through the first half of the day, gusting as high as the low 30s and then gradually tapering off as we get into the afternoon to evening. The wind will fire back up as we head into the weekend, and here's our next system that's going to be driving that in. Our cold front starts to approach on Saturday. It starts out to the west in the morning, so we do warm up ahead of it, but it'll be a quick cool down through our late afternoon to evening hours Saturday behind this front. Comes along with some moisture as well. Now, behind this front, we start off with some rain potential, and then as we get deeper into Saturday evening, could change over to a wet snow. Most of this should melt. We still have really warm ground, so it's likely not going to cause any big travel issues for us, but we could have a few snow flurries and snow showers that hang on into the overnight hours before wrapping up early Sunday as our cold air starts to intensify. So as far as the snow potential for accumulation, really light amounts. I think for the metro, maybe trace amounts. Those higher amounts going to stay out to our north and east. We'll keep a close eye on it. In the meantime, we're preparing for that cold. We have a couple more warm days, 62 on Thursday, 65 Friday, a high of 55 Saturday with quickly falling temperatures. And then there's that overnight low in the mid-20s on Sunday morning. We're back down to the mid-20s early Monday. So back-to-back mornings where we have hard freeze potential. A high of only 39 on Sunday. We're staying chilly on Monday with that high of 46, and from there, quickly rebounding. We're back to the 50s and eventually 60s by the end of the 10-day forecast. You can stay on top of the forecast by downloading our First Alert 6 weather app. You can find that free in the App Store. We have a couple of days where you definitely need to reach for the winter gear, especially when you factor in the wind that comes with that. The wind chill going to be brutal.